welcome to Absolutely Beautiful Cooking with Devon. I'm Devon and I'm your host. It is very hot outside, 84 degrees, so I'm making strawberry lemonade. We will be needing 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, 1 pint of fresh strawberries, 1 cup of lemon juice, which is about 8 lemons, and 4 to 6 cups of water, very cold. First, combine 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water into a pot. To complete the simple syrup, stir over medium heat until the sugar has dissolved. When the sugar is dissolved, remove from heat. Remove the tops from the strawberries. Rinse. And blend with half a cup of water. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze out all the juice. And occasionally have family members join. Combine the strawberry smoothie, your lemon juice, and your ice cold 4 to 6 cups of water, depending on your preference. And then put in your cooled syrup. And mix. Drink it immediately or put it in the refrigerator to drink later. Make sure to go under this video, hit the subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up.